Once upon a time, high in the embrace of the ancient mountains, a village stands not just as a place, but a testament to resilience and unity. The huts, perched on the slopes like the silent storytellers, whisper the wisdom of ancestors who once walked these paths. Below them, the waterfall tumbles in an endless dance, carving stories into the rock as it nourishes the land and its people. Each morning, the villagers emerge, draped in colors that mirror the rising sun. Traders move through the winding path, exchanging not just goods, but laughter and lore. The elders sit beneath the white sky, their voice weaving history in the fabric of everyday life. Children chase dreams between the huts, while artisans mold the earth and tread into symbol of identity. As the day winds, the mountain becomes silhouette against a canvas of fire-lit clouds. The village breathes in unison, its rhymes signing with nature's heartbeat. Here, time does not pass, it lingers, carrying forward the echoes of those who came before.